Hi besties, welcome to the channel. This is our first official video of the year.
Happy New Year to you guys. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this very simple yet very effective brightening. Let's use the word lightening because it's a lightening soap, lightening black soap. So let's get right into it. I initially did not want to film because yes, YouTube has not been giving me views, but I decided to just film. So here I have my first soap. I don't know the name of this soap. This woman refused to tell me the name of this soap. But if your face is dark, this is how it looks like. If your face is darker than your neck or darker than your body and you want to brighten your skin, this is one soap you should get. So you can pause it, screenshot it in case you're looking for the soap. I don't know the name. If you know the name, leave it in the comment section for me. Next, I went in with half of that one. And next, this is my Oshapra soap. Oshapra soap also helps to brighten and smoothen out the skin. So I'm using half. I'm making just very little soap. So I'm using half of everything. So this was where I decided that, okay, let me just film and post. And hopefully YouTube is going to push this video because literally have little views. Guys, please turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I don't know when my next video will be, but subscribe to the channel. Remember, everything you have to use have to be clean. Next is our whitening ball. So this whitening ball, I'm using just 1.5. This is one, and then the next one is the half. You can see that is half. I'm not going to be grating this one because it's usually very soft. But if you want to grate it, you can. Next, I'm going in with my Ghana soap. So this Ghana black soap is the small one. So I divided the small one into two and I'm using 1 part for it. You divide it into two and use 1 part for it. Like I said, I'm making a very small soap. This soap is not actually small. It's over 500 grams. That's what this soap gave me. So next I'll be adding in my powders. These powders are 1 tablespoon each. And this is how they sell it. So if you know those people that sell skincare things or organic things, you can tell them to measure little by little for you. So first thing, I went in with 1 tablespoon of kojic dip. I would have gone with kojic acid, but kojic acid tends to oxidize faster than kojic dip. So that is why I went in with kojic dip. Next, I went in with my Snow White powder, and remember, like I said, everything is 1 tablespoon. After going in with my Snow White powder, next I'll be going in with my licorice powder. I'll be writing the list of things for you guys to see so that you can know. So next thing I'll be going in with is my orange peel powder. So I initially wanted lemon peel powder, but they did not have, so I got orange peel powder. You can still use it as well. And the first powder I added, which is not showing in this video, was my camwood powder. So my camwood powder, added just 1 teaspoon of it to the soap. So camwood helps to smoothen out the skin. It helps with acne as well. It helps with reactions. So next is my rice powder. So rice powder tends to help to brighten the skin. It lightens the skin actually. It's a Korean secret they use to lighten the skin. So now I'm going in with my oils, and this first oil I'm going in with is my papaya extract. So I'm adding in. So this one too, I got it for over 500 as well. It's very little. You see how little it is. I think it's just over, maybe a little over 1 tablespoon. Next oil I'm going in with is my licorice extract. So added it in. And then the next oil I'm going to be going in with is my arbutin oil. My alpha arbutin oil. So these are ingredients that are safe for lightening the skin. They are safe for lightening the skin. They're not going to cause reaction to your skin. So next thing I'm going to be adding is clove. So clove contains antioxidant, which is going to help with acne and pimples, and it also helps to smoothen out the skin, which is why I'm adding clove. So for clove, you just need very little, literally like almost a pinch. So you can use maybe a teaspoon, that very small spoon. That's what you need. Next, I'll be adding in my turmeric. And you guys know I love turmeric so much. Turmeric tends to brighten out my skin very well. I always say if I use turmeric and milk as face masks, try it for 3 days. Oyibo, don't turn Oyibo. So this is a product that a brand gifted me. This is the snail mucin. It's an essence, and it helps to hydrate the skin. Like, it literally hydrates the skin. And we know that black soap tends to dry out the skin. When you use black soap, it kind of dry out the skin, and you need something to moisturize your skin very well. So yeah, I'm adding moisturizer in there. So I just poured in. It is very optional, you don't need to add it. Next, I'm going in with my shea butter. My shea butter is almost done, which is why I use the snail mucin, but I just decided to add the little I could scrape out from the bottle of my shea butter. So I added it in, and next you just want to pound to make sure everything is combined. After using this mortar, I'm not even going to lie, I used my hands. I went in, I worked this soap, like used it very well, work with it very well. It is stressful. Yes, you can do the heat method if you don't like stress, but me, I like to do my own like this. And for those that will say, oh, the powders are too much, it's not going to foam, this is it. It formed very well. And then you have to leave it for 24 hours before you use. It's not like you cannot use it, so you can use it, because I used it and I've never felt so clean in a long time. I used it and it was so nice on my skin. But it's good to leave it for 24 hours so that the ingredients will activate. Like when I used it, you could see the part, like the different colors of the powders in it. But when you leave it for 24 hours, everything is going to settle, and when you're using it, your soap is just going to be foaming very white. So you use it morning and night. Leave on your body for like 3 to 4 minutes, then wash off. Guys, try this soap if you want to lighten your skin, and come and thank me later. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.